been watching the shows from that three chefs, Gordon Ramsay, Gino, and Frank. And so this is the Clumsy. And the specialties cocktails, and shows you all these cocktails they have here. And this beautiful setup cocktail. Come check out this part of this is
who we have here? Fellow explorers.
So we made it. Here's my garden prep, which is pancreatine, lemongrass, rosemary, celery, myrtle vinegar, and I've got the fermented gum. Enjoy. It's worth a trip to Athens. So we came here for the drinks.
The cocktail.
Cocktails. Not expecting delicious food, but this beetroot carpaccio
Sensational.
is sensational.